Yo ho, welcome back, people. Welcome back to another stream. Welcome. Here I'm facing some challenges, so that's why it took some time. Let me pull the VM back where it belongs. There we go. So, how you guys are doing? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and having a great weekend. All it is about to finish, though. But yeah, I hope you guys had a pretty good weekend. And with that said, let's start with the box that we left last time. That's tartar sauce. So we might be able to continue with that. If I can connect with my drive here, unmount, mount back. It is showing stuff, but it's not showing everything for some reason. Permissions, we have every permission that I will look for. Something is messed up here. If someone is kind enough to help me with this, we might be able to overcome this crisis. Open as terminal. Dang it. Should be in media. There it is. Open terminal here. CDSF main sudo CDSF main, and it says cd command not found, s option privilege shell, and some other stuff. Let's see if I'll shut it down and restart it. Will it take effect? It's a pretty messed up machine right now, and I'm thinking to delete this VM. I have to reconfigure it from the scratch, else damn, that's a problem. Okay, let's see where we are so far. We had some information that it's running over the port 80, and the other one was that we ran this scan and we even got the output, which I'll show you in a moment. Pretty good output. Enter. I'm pretty sure it is messed up because of VM tools. I also forgot, guys, if you're new here, consider subscribing. Old one, do like, new one too. And let's log in into the machine. Have any question or something, drop in the chat or in the comments. I'll take a look on them. Okay. System main, yep. Something is messed up here. Device addition. Installing image. Let's see if this guy can help us. Or maybe not. Let's stick for now. If it don't mount, that's gonna be a problem because everything I have done so far is on this file. So we won't be able to make any progress further. There's a mail machines. This is a crap. Yep, everything is on my local drive. Media cannot mount. And this seems to be stuck. VirtualBox auto mount not working. Sudo mount this media. Here we have this. This. Did it work? Nope. Sudo control edit full virtual guest utilities. Restart node, type forking. Timeout 5 minutes. Guest main PID. Install multiple targets. Is something messed up here? Quit. And if I will do this one, it's gonna show the same thing. So we can exit from here. Well, you can learn, but the problem is that coding is essential part. Maybe not right now, but after some time it is going to be a problem. And the best is to start learning while you are studying something else. So even a basic coding knowledge helps somewhat, and it will make you understand how the internal code stuff is working. So it is important. Remove the conflict. This one, I guess. Delete this. Escape, right, quit, exclamation, enter. And guest utils. Okay. System control. Restart, enter. Okay, it did trigger the restart. Should I be able to now? Okay, this is not letting me. That's bad. Does AI always not help us? I would say no. It is still progressing, so for now it won't, cause there are some problems that you need to either Google or by like try to your own brainstorm something or hidden trial kind of thing where you can get a solution. So I would say the best I utilize the AI for is trying to understand something, that how it is working, that makes it easier for me to understand. That's what I usually use the AI for. The explanation is good, and you can ask the prompt what sort of information you like. Done Titanic? Titanic. I don't know. I have done it yet or not. Titanic. This one. Okay, this is a seasonal box. No, I haven't started yet. Damn. 3 minutes. Cool. I completed it. It's easy. Okay, I'll give a shot. Even I haven't like done a live for the cicada, so I'm thinking to do live for that yesterday. That's impossible. Need much time and enumeration. I will do it. I was writing a tool a while back for the auto enumeration, but I stopped it. They might have got hints from developers themselves. Nah, that's not always the case. Sometimes it's like some people has written their own pretty good tools that helps them go faster. Okay, it's cooking now. We are good. So let's go to terminal. Sudo open VPN. This time without a drive, it is going to be a main. There we go. Enter. Kali. And the password is wrong. There we go. And boom. Let's see if we can ping this IP address. Yes, we are good to go. Nice. CD main. Okay, this is gonna be a main. CTF. HTTP. Machines. Tartar sauce. Clear. LS. Okay, we have this file 10.10. something for the FUF output, and this was a massive output. We didn't need that much. Reason, it is never-ending loop, and here you can see there is a WordPress going on, so we might be working with the WordPress here for most of the part. And this whole output is in MD5, so that's another pain that we need to tackle. So we gonna copy from here till all the way down as far as it can go, and my system is dying because of less space. Keep going, goodbye. And there we go. So we will copy this over the clipboard, go here and paste it here, and this is a mess. What we're gonna do is just cannot paste it like this, I believe. That means we need to clean this up. Pipe column hyphen T hyphen S, I believe that's what it is. Hyphen T hyphen capital S? No. Again, messed up. Basic commands. It was not locate, not find. It's less. Yep. This is the one. Paste. The file name is going to be 10 dot something. Press enter. And it is still a mess. Although now it's giving a pretty state output, but it's still a mess. We're looking for the 200s and what other any redirection that we're looking for. There should be www or WP WordPress. There are so many subdirectories here. And it's a never-ending. Plugin, cron PHP, bookmark customize, etc, etc. And here comes the WordPress. And the status is 103. That means we can quit from here and pipe grep only for 301 and 200 status. Enter. Okay. 300. Even 300s are many here. Let's clear this ls. Let's go with this. I'm having a hard time, so we don't gonna go for the recursion. We will just, instead of md, what other type of output we can get from here? I don't remember. Buff -h output. Let's go for the only. We have JSON, eJSON. Write output file, directory path to store match result to. This is a mess. Either we can go for the CSV. Let's try the CSV. That should give us a clean output. What kind of machine is this? I don't know. I don't know yet. cause I just started with this and I haven't reached anywhere yet, so it is still in progress. But we can write what we have seen so far. Oh, I haven't added the image yet. That's bad. Let's open this. I remember it now. Why I didn't add it then. It was 10 dot. Double 8, enter. Yeah, this is this bottle of sauce. And in the output of scan, we have got some interesting endpoints like WP, which is for the WordPress. And this needed to be add here somewhere, in here, technologies and framework. Does this have WordPress? No, it don't, so we will add it. WordPress, create it here, close it, and we have it. Lovely. So let's dig in this. Endpoints, interesting buff scan. As far as I can see, it must be related to the WordPress, at least for the beginning. Reason is because if you see here, it has only the one port and it's not working on the multiple ports, and because of that there is gonna be a single port that might work, and because of that port we don't have any other service to check, and because of that we have only found the WordPress in here. And if you try to use the host name to access this page, it won't, because it is restricted, so we cannot use that. But when we'll try to use the IP address, it don't require the DNS. It just look for the IP, the source, and try to connect with that. So that's an interesting part. Web services. This gonna take time. Till then, let's see what's going on in the chat by the time this finish. Anything new? Or anything good? How was your Valentine Day, guys? Mine is just another day. Regular. I don't know what to ask. Yeah, Alex, you didn't help me with my request, bro. It's still learning. And see what's in there. Which coding is used for hacking? That question doesn't make sense. Which coding? Yeah, as long as it's a programming language, computer can understand. Everything can be considered for hacking. So we're not restricted to some certain language as long as it's readable by the system. There are multiple ways to make the system do what you want, even if that system don't have some certain languages. We can make the system install them and then perform the actions, by which video I have to start learning. To be honest, the road to OSCP that I have started, it contain nothing basic, like nothing related to network, nothing related to how we can start and stuff. This purely contain, if you have knowledge, you'll be able to understand what sort of commands I'm running, what sort of actions I'm taking, why I'm taking those actions. So it is purely on that. It doesn't contain anything that can make you understand the basics. That's what I have seen so far. And you can take the Alex word in it. What do you think, Alex? Is there anything I'm saying wrong? We have the PHP 403, another space, web services. Okay, we know that there is the WP going on. Let's see, where does it take us? Where will it take us? And over here we can run the nuclei, but if I'll do that, my system gonna blast off. And admin, let's see, boom, I knew it. Now WordPress -admin, show us something, bro. I think I messed up because I have removed the previous output file. Cat 10.stuff, and yes, I have messed up. This is not good. Was it WP -admin? Or maybe I can do this. WP scan -URL, paste it, enter. I hope it will be able to find. Scan has been aborted. What is it? -h. Okay. Just this. It's required the full name. Dang it. Do you want to update it? Yes, go for it. Now I'll learn Bash. It's extremely important. I will try to create that script on my own, like trying to create script which already exists. Well, it is not about like you're trying to create something that already exists, though it is, but it is more of a learning, and on other hand it's more of your way of searching or applying techniques there. And let's see what box is this. If I will check the Titanic. It's a Linux box, so I hardly believe it's gonna be something relevant to the Windows stuff. But in my belief, it is more of either there is an LFI that is working there, or there is gonna be some sort of what do we say? There has to be LFI. On the other hand, there could be an service exploit that is public right now, and because of the version disclosure, you can use that exploit to get the RCE faster, and boom, you're in the machine and you got the user flag. After that, the hard part could be that it is related to the user enumeration. So which one is right here, Alex? The public exploit or the LFI? Or there could be a SSRF. These are the three possibilities that I can see because of that 3 minutes time. Yeah, tell the only that thing goes faster when that's gonna be later, but I think using the LFI one could get the user dot txt from the system and the other stuff. And if there is the SSH key, you can use that SSH key to access the machine. If not, there could be a way to reach the database, if there is any. From there you can fetch the username and password. Once you fetch the username and password, you can use that to log in over whichever service is running. It could be SSH or something, or maybe you have the like privilege to upload the file there and go for it. But there is also enumeration. I don't wanna spoil it for you, due to which I think that 3 minutes not quite possible. So here's how people do it. Like what I am doing right now is idiotic, I would say, but I'm just taking my time. But what could happen here is, first they just use the nmap to get the ports faster. After that, when you have the limited amount of ports, you can send those ports into the nmap, because at that time it is not looking for any sort of service. It's not looking for any type of OS detection or something. So once you have the limited amount of ports, you can transfer those ports into the nmap scan, and when you run that nmap scan, that will finish way quicker than any other scan. That the one I usually do, which is using the sudo nmap -a -ss and -sc hyphen v hyphen p hyphen then the IP address, and then I will put the minimum rate 1000. So that's the command that I use, and it takes time. Or maybe they might have used the number way too big. That can be a 10,000 or 100,000 that transferred the request way faster, that it got reply faster. So that's the part I'm only getting. And for the LFI, if LFI, most probably for the parameter, because there might be some sort of parameter in the application that is already there, where you don't have to do more of enumeration. So that could have worked around. Root is complicated, though. You can check. There is huge difference between user and root. Yeah, I can understand because of this number. 3 minutes and 33 minutes. It's a pretty far number. And it's a pretty good number. Timeout. I don't know how much time it's gonna take. It's already 16 minutes in, and we haven't done anything since the past 30 minutes because of that damn big output. I should have copied it from here directly. Can I go for the FOV -h grep minimum rate request per second, rate of request per second? Custom auto calibration, comma separation, and the other stuff. I don't want to cancel this right now because it's doing great, but let's clear it. We'll check that, and I'm gonna finish it, not today, but before end of this week. For some reason, I'm thinking I should go to the right up and pull the endpoints, but that's not gonna be a good work. WordPress. WordPress. This one is not working. Show me something, bro. Server status. Anything? These blocks are funny and interesting too. What do we have here? Hey, what box do you solve now? It's a tartar sauce. That's a pretty weird name for a box. There you go. Enjoy it. This is a one. It's a med box, and there is only one port. Let's go. What is the relative path on web server to the block? Okay, I guess I know what I'm missing here. Probably this and wp-admin this. I did something idiotic that I am regretting now. Did you solve the seasonal Titanic machine? No, I haven't solved it yet. I was talking to the Alex the same. Even with just the time frame that they got in, at least first part, I already know what it could be and how we can get the user.txt at least. And for the next part, either there is a version related to something, the version, or there might be some service running. There might be some sort of cron job or something. There could be something, but it's gonna be a pretty fun box. Help me clear the YouTube requirement. I might start solving it in my members only stuff. Maybe. Where you might be getting all of this before the time. I don't know. I don't know. Nah, I got the repo and got the MySQL pass, but I didn't understand where to go next. You got the repo, you got the MySQL password. Yo, don't spoil it. Give me a sec. Damn. To get some hints and not to spoil on the stream, maybe to get some your advice on solving machine. Got it. My brother was just showing some video and that's a pretty damn funny. There is some challenges that is like Instagram video filter kind of thing where you have like when you have a higher pitch, the object get like thinner, and when you have the strong pitch, your like the object get wider to pass the object. So you were just showing that. No, on Insta, not on Insta. It's just lurking around with the YouTube. Today kids just waste their time. It's their time, so it's up to them if they wanna go with it or regret it later. Who are we to say? I don't wanna get into child abuse where people don't make any sense what they are saying. So I'm good. Home auth. Damn it. Now I am actually regretting. Let's throw this damn thing. Better we can go with this. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, Ferox Buster. Ferox Buster will go with the recursive stuff also, so we're gonna just copy this. Smart scan, good stuff. 3, 1, 2, 3, enter. Okay. Paste it. We gonna go for .php, .txt, comma, .md, and the IP address is gonna be this machine's IP address. It's 10.10.10.88. This should go zoop way faster. If this has any threads, who cares about the 200 tests? Go for 2000 threads, baby. Go crazy. Give me any of social media you have. I believe you should connect over the Discord. The better place. I don't post anything and have it just to have it, you know, but now is the first time when I actually use it. Yo. Garbage. So much garbage. We need to filter the 400, so what we gonna do? -s. Okay, it's still spitting the garbage. Dang it. Ferox Buster -h pipe grep status. Filter out hyphens. Oh, we have to provide multiple. Status code to include lawless default all status codes. That means I need to provide -C. We're gonna remove any that's related to the 400, 401. I guess that's okay. It's a 404. Enter. Now this looks good. I want to help him, but it will spoil for you. Enjoy. It's not like it'll be able to spoil for me, cause like I've already told you what it's gonna do for half of the portion. So if you have the password and stuff, either you can like if it is after the what we say after the user access, then it is going to be something like if it's an SSH service, then it can go from there if there is any username and password after that. And it seems now this is going way too crazy. 1000. If it is after that, it could be that either you have some sort of service running that requires a username and password. If it is not, no, and that's the problem. I don't have SSH access yet. So what's the first vulnerability that you have got so far? Let's start from there. If you have the first vulnerability, then it's just that you're not utilizing it properly. And if it is not for the SSH, there might be some sort of login page that requires that username and password. That's where you can add the stuff on stuff like. Okay, now this is not helping in any way. Don't throw it. We have one endpoint, but we don't have the other endpoint. That means we are wasting some good time here. What if I will just paste this, press enter? Will it be able to process that further? Or it'll just keep throwing stuff that we don't even want? And this is one of the part where you can say that if there is a status code that is coming under 403, then that always don't mean that there isn't no other endpoint. You can always try to brute force the 403 endpoints and see if there is any other page that is after that endpoint, because sometimes what the DevOps engineer or security engineers do, that they just block the first endpoint. They don't usually block what's coming afterwards. So because that can also interfere with their like API calls or some other services, so they just put the filter on the one single page or one single endpoint, because if that endpoints get hit, it'll stop the scan or that what it should do actually, because it wasn't able to find anything else, and it's a 403 client-side error. But when you try to brute force that particular endpoint, you might be able to get something out of that. Even this doesn't make any sense. Let's try this. My one and only trustworthy scanner that I used to rely on way too much. So we gonna do is just put it in the test and remove all the unwanted endpoints, and it's gonna be md comma .txt, and the IP address is 10.10.10.88 sudo 200. We don't want 200s, we want every other stuff, but we do want to exclude that we don't want. Instead of -path, we can exclude some sizes. We will see if this can pull that. pretty small. Okay. I can bear this much of a pollution, but more than this, that will be a headache. Do we have the FUF logs? Locate 10.10.10.88. Let's see. Okay. Not a single place contain it. Forest, that's the log. But doesn't seem like. Okay, I had enough. Let's go here. I just want the endpoints. I'm not looking for anything else. So I don't want to waste any more time on this. We will go tar source HTTP, enter, and over here let's just go for the endpoints, the same stuff. Yep, I found this same WP, but it is not going anywhere else. Okay, he found it after the web services, but it's not doing same for me. So if I'll copy this, WP slash WP, okay, it did redirect us somewhere. That means it needs the IP, okay, the DNS name, or it's just misbehaving. 10.10.10.10.88, enter. It is working, it is working, it is working, it is working. We got it. I do remember the endpoint. I just wasn't able to think straight that this could be another way to get in there. Okay, even this wasn't able to do anything. We can quit from here. Yeah, quit without saving ls. rm-rf ferox remove cat tartars off, enter. Don't have much. rm-rf tartar whatever, enter. Cat the test, same thing, ls clear, ls reports, ls reports are empty, rm-rf. This is the only way that's left. Let's see if it can go 5,000 threads per second, which I hardly believe. So we have got this WordPress based web app. So here is the first endpoint we have, and it's a login page without much info. Let's check here. And the page seems to be broken. Let's check what's in there. Let's check in the inspect view source code, right? View page source. And if you see the URL, it's it contain the redirection to admin. We'll see that too. Okay, for now, let's see what's under view page source. Password lost. This endpoint can be checked. Here is one more interesting thing, is that when I got redirected to this page, it was looking for DNS. Which we don't have in the /etc/hosts. So let's add that and see if that improves this page. Rendering. It can do so. Adding the host into the /etc/hosts. My friend gives hint in Reddit. There is all hints go detected by mods. Well, that's idiotic because you're practically spoiling someone like for the box, and that's not good stuff. Someone has given his dedication for something, and the rating you're giving over the hack the box that actually matter to the person whoever so has submitted it. So because of the spoilers, people just go like, okay, this was okay, and this is how much time it took, but that should be on a person how he should want to evolve. And because of those rating, person get paid. Yeah, that's why I said here to don't put much of the information here. And what I was saying was purely on my assumption because of that time frame. It was saying that 3 minutes. So what I could understand within that time frame, I spilled it. So if someone has seen the time frame and then went for a box, they should practically hold the knowledge like what could be the fastest way to get the root.txt, and the one I have already shared, and it was there, so nothing much can be done. And I am getting frustrated now because this does not contain recursion. Yeah, unofficial discussion spoils the stuff of time. So what we can do now is we can press the enter, and we have interrupted it. Now if I'll pull the help, advance to next job, paste it, enter and enter. There we go. Now it'll start the other endpoint that we actually need, and there we go. We got the WordPress here, and even here we will get quite many files. Okay, let's let it run. And what we was about to do, we was about to add the host. So we will do sudo manage hosts, enter callee, add host. It is gonna be 10.10.10.88, enter tar tartar sauce .htb, enter, cancel, and we have our host added there. Now let's try to access the WP admin again. And if I will go back, press enter, Tartar sauce. Okay, this is same. Refresh. Paste this. HTTP. And now this is not good. We don't need to update the existing host IP address. If I'll check. Okay, this is the wrong host name. Entry to remove 28. Enter. We don't want to remove any other entry. Add. It's 10.10.10.88. Enter. It's a tar sauce.htp. I think that's the one. SAUCE. Enter. Cancel it. Clear it out. Now refresh it back. Refresh this one too. Now this should render the page. Interesting, when hints are given in official form, nothing happens, but when given Reddit, which is not even official, get removed. Hack the box should hurt them, lol. No. The thing is, when the hints are given over the form, they are getting monitored, and if they are giving the spoilers, they remove it from there. But if it's way more informational, then those are also get actioned. So no, it's not same. Okay, now we got something good. And I was correct. And it's the hack the box themselves, those report to the Reddit that this is a spoiler or something that is under the copyright instruction, so that's why the stuff get removed from there. It's rendering properly now. But it seems we are still missing something that should be here. And that something could be login.php. I don't think. If I will just go to WordPress, WP, remove this, enter, it won't be reaching the endpoint. It has added a new job. Okay. It is something. And when I removed all the extra stuff from the URL, we got the website served. Which is written over the WordPress. So, without wasting time, let's use the WP scan for this application and see if it's exploitable in any manner. WP scan 1 2 3 space, remove unwanted stuff, go here, copy this, paste it here, disable SSL check, and copy this whole URL, paste it here. I don't think we need the SSL check here because right now it's running over the HTTPS itself. So we're gonna paste it here, press enter, and now wait for the results and see if we'll get any interesting results here. Okay, it started. Found WordPress and tricks with WPS scan. No plugin found. There is interesting headers found. There is XML, RPC, WordPress, README found. The external WordPress seems to enable. There's a cron.php. WordPress version detection, that's a 4.9.4. That is weird. Okay. Then there's a WordPress theme in use. That's was any other thing that we can see worth checking. I guess we can even skip this one. Okay, it was somewhere here. Q, skip, press enter, enter, and it should start on the third endpoint now. Lovely. This is what I was looking for. There's a license.txt, there's a WP includes, and some other stuff. The WPS scan is taking time. A good time. Anything good today to watch? Nothing here and nothing here. Nope. Actually, I also used to report quite a many spoilers. I have a list. Let me show you if it is still working. Here. I have reported all of these spoilers. Here you can see these were all reported by me and got claimed. There was some medium, there was some medium, and quite many was YouTube. So I was reporting them. And there was some other one that I did report it, but no action was taken, and they're still there. And after release or retirement, they don't give a damn about these as long as it's not retired. So there was some good amount of spoilers that even I have reported. These were the one I have logged. There was some other that I have reported separately too. How much time it's gonna take? That's why I hate medium level box, cause it's more time taking than the easy one. Easy one gets solved in 1 or max 2 days, but medium one the recon itself takes way too much time. XML rpc.php, the status is unwanted. That's a 4 or 5. Either way, we won't be able to read the file, so skip on that. License.txt, wp login.php. WordPress content. Just give me something interesting. We have some URLs here. Let's see what we can get from these. Entry level, we already know that it's running in the Apache, and XML RPC seems to be enabled, but okay, why it's giving the 504 must be because of the IP address that I'm using for scanning, but not the host name. So if I will use the curl paste enter, this should show some information, I believe. It requests the post request. Okay, let's see here. Will it say the same thing? Okay. XML RPC. Any other thing that we can check here? Rapid 7. WordPress readme found. Cat. Okay. Curl paste enter. logo, semantic. Welcome, WordPress is very special project to me. I don't care. Install.php with a text editor like WordPad or similar. Fill in your database connection details. wp-config.php install. I haven't seen this file yet, so I believe it's not a part of this as of now. If you do not enter password, note it, store it, whatever. Use automatic updater. If you're updating from version 2.7 or higher, you can use automatic update. PHP, MySQL. Licenses. WordPress version 4.9.4. Let's see what's on these endpoints. Paste, enter. Perl, well-formed web, just another WordPress site. Generator 4.9.4. Hello world. DC creator. GUID is permalink, which is some local IP address. Maybe or maybe not, because it's saying the 80, so I don't think 80 is for the internal network though. But it could be, so we're not sure. What's on this endpoint? Feed. Comment for test blog. Tortoise and whatever. Just in the website. Comment. Hi, comment to get started with moderate editing and deleting comments. This. Nothing fun there. Readme.txt. Curl, paste, enter. This is some sort of theme. Main factor. Third party. And my brain is not stable anymore. Curl, paste, enter. And they should throw some information. It did. Ouch, it is way too much focus. Total CSS. Okay, it's a way too big of a CSS. It's a way too big. Ouch. Description, 2 lines, inline, minimal. Let the theme, tags. Okay, this is also garbage. Last link, paste, enter, and it's gonna be the same link. I knew it. That means we got nothing. Now the problem is there are two enumerators working, and because of that the speed is getting killed and we're getting results slower. But my results are getting faster because I'm getting way too sleepy. Although I won't be sleeping after this, so I don't know. Life goes rolling, 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 rolling. "16 minutes in. What I'm missing here? I think we can skip this queue now. Skip. Press enter. Web content, themes, uploads. That's pretty good. We got an upload. Upgrade. Nice. And as you can see, this is a rabbit hole and it won't stop anytime soon. Cause as far as I remember, I have seen at least the depth of 16 to 20 because of this. So what we're gonna do is just cancel it and ls cat 10 dot whatever, press this and python t. Okay, again the wrong command. So go all the way up in the list, copy this, paste. It's 10.5. And there we go. I don't think I can copy this. Yep, I cannot copy this. I can only quit it. Instead of less, let's try the cat. And cat has ruined it. Cat, this, enter. Comma's not gonna cut. So we're going here. Or just go a bit up. Go way more than bit up and all the way here. Go here to the tartar sauce. Close this. Buff scan and paste it here. Resume, skip queue. We can remove everything till here, including this. Added a new job. We don't need that. Started a queue. That's perfectly fine. Added a new job. Delete. Delete. Skip queue till here. Added a new job. We don't need any sort of new job. Started. This is fine. Again. Till here. We don't need anything. And just remove one single quote and we have the output. Now we are working with it. So we are still missing on some information, it seems. Popular themes, all themes. CB config backup. DBE database export. User range. Media ID range. And vulnerable theme. Popular plugin, all plugin. VP. Ouch. Vulnerable plugin. Enumerating all themes. Why do I feel it's gonna take forever? Let's just cancel this. We can remove anything relevant to the theme. All themes hyphen it should be VP vulnerable plugin. Yes, press enter. Okay. All plugin, just check for the vulnerable one. We are good with that. RS generator, direct. Enumerating time thumb. Was it the same last time? It was enumerating the themes. Header, XML, realm, external WordPress cron jobs, I guess. Scroll, paste, enter. Nothing to see here. WordPress found. I think we have already checked this. Won't get much. Identify. Are we missing anything in here? Was that the only readable file that I can find here? Welcome to WordPress, etc. Matt Milken. Zip file open install.php. WordPress config sample. Once config, if you don't enter password, not the password given to you. Install login, send you to the login page. Update, automatic updater. Open this. Manual update. Migrate from other system. Requirement MySQL, PHP. Recommended HTTPS support, online resource. Final notes, share with love. Multi-million-dollar marketing campaign. WordPress is official contribution to this. And the license. GPL. Nothing interesting I could found. This is a plain. Total plain stuff. Uncategorized. Let's see what's in there. Hello world. Hi, there is a command. Get started with editing and comment. Your email address will be published. Required fields are marked. What we can try is Python 3 -m HTTP server over 80 HTTP :// 10.10.10 no 16.4 / nmap. Copy this. Paste. Website address. tmp a@a.a. Post comment. Any call here? Please enter the valid email address. Valid email address. That'll come from the temp mail. Go here. Copy this, paste it here, and send the comment. Now this shouldn't give us any problem, and it's not calling anything here. So that was a waste. What time it is? It's 2 hours almost. Ouch. Let's cancel this. Can we? Okay, we will go with this -t 1000 threads, enter. I hope this can take the threads. And it seems it can take the threads. Collapse this. Just this is the one that's doing the BT. Anything new here? The same XML RPC, realm found, readme found, and there's a WP cron job, WordPress version identified, insecure, WordPress theme, enumerating stuff, and more. Got a message. Oof. Okay, this is good. Now running fine. Don't stop. Who told you to stop? Don't. Keep running. Show me your passion, bro. Don't die on me. Okay, we have the link here, but whenever I'll call this link, it's gonna mess up over here. So if I'll call this link, it's gonna open in the new page, and there we go. It'll going to save it, and this is coming from our own web application or website. So OSCP give labs also, right? Yeah, there are a few labs that are free. You can try those too. So yeah, they definitely give labs. We'll solve them too, but let's go in the pace we want to go. I still have a long way to go with the YouTube, and the reason is, and one of the reason I cannot throw everything in the public. I am just waiting. Docker. Again. I wanna block all of this. Filter. Quality filter. I think this filter should do. Well, let's see. Yeah, there's still pretty darn big gap in ours. 3000, so I won't be able to publish anything in the private. Too long way to go. What free labs they give? I think it's mentioned here. I have it. We got something here. Plugin scan finish and has detected the Woki or Wosi, I don't know. Something is messed up with this. OSCP prep. Proving grounds, all of these are from the OffSec. Katana, Solistic, WP Pawn. This is for the WordPress as it says WP. DC is going to be domain controller. Again, domain controller, domain controller, domain controller. And InfoSec prep. Photographer, something relevant to the PHP. Cybersecurity, I don't know. PyExp, this is for the Python. Sorry, this one is also going to be relevant to the Python, but Taro, I don't know. What else? Nibbles. Okay, we are done with the scan here, and what have we got? Nothing, I believe. So let's try nuclei-u and provided the WordPress URL. Though we haven't got anything here, but let's provide or just copy the output here so we don't mess up anything because of this. Oof. No media, user identification. We can remove all of this and free token and stuff. RS generator, author. WordPress 2, there is something related to the user here. Let's see. Okay. Name WP admin. Link is this. Reference to this. Okay, I guess we got some endpoints here. Very good. Collection. Don't tell me this is dead. Okay. Machine is dead. Back to life. Copy this. Paste it here. Press enter. Sort it. What about user 2? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0, 1. Do we need to brute force this? We'll press admin. Stay tuned. Construction. Okay. I could have got the author name from here itself. 4.9.4. What else do we have here? No. I think there's a version mismatch. WordPress version 4.9.4. That's what it's showing there. There was a different version mentioned here. WordPress, okay. We got some good stuff here. Do I need to provide this hole here? What is the relative path on the web server to the blog? This one. Okay. God, this is a way too damn big file. What if I'll go for version 1? Is there any version 1? Okay, there is no route. Version 3. Oh version 4. Version 5. Version 6. Only version 2. And here we have too much information which we can use, but how are we gonna use? There is a post request to an endpoint. Self posts. P1 hello world. We know about this. Post 1, comment 1, parent 1, and everything 1. What else do we have next? Find self. There are third and self taxonomy. User me. What's in this? Reset not logged in. You're currently logged in. You aren't currently logged in. We have checked on this. Same endpoint. Parent revision and post. I don't know why, but it seems we are missing something. Bro, can you tell me how can I make my obsidian same as yours? Bro, this is a custom stuff. It's not pre-built. So you have to wait till dates and when I will make my notes public. I have a domain, but I don't have the publish service of this. So you have to wait for that so you can copy paste it something. Why not upload your extension on Obsidian? Why not upload your extension? Which extension you're talking about? What the hell am missing? What is it that I'm missing? Settings. Forbidden. What is it actually looking for? If I will check into the application, cookies, press test cookie, and HTTP and map temp author. Okay, let's just clear it out, refresh it. Forbidden. I think he's saying about community plugin, bro. I'm just asking about GUI. Okay, so the GUI is, if like you want this color and stuff, you can check for the appearance, and over here manage, here you will be able to find hack the box, this, and just install it and you're good. That I can add it over the community plugin, but myself, I don't use the community plugin. As you can see, there are pretty good community plugin, but I don't use because of this very first line that it says community plugin, like any other software install, could potentially cause data integrity and security issue. Plugin security is important to us. Here's what we do. So they do give a code review, open source, pre-audit, report mechanism and stuff. But how long they're gonna do it? So I don't use community plugin. But you use Hack the Box plugin, right? No, it's not a Hack the Box plugin. It is just a theme of Hack the Box. In the appearance, it's a theme. It's not a plugin. Yep, sure. And if I will try to change to the light, does it change anything? It didn't change anything. Adapt to the system, dark. No problem. That's what questions are for. Ask them and you'll get your answers. That's why I always say, even a stupid question is a question. It's just about if you'll ask or not, and if someone will answer it or not. So, encourage those who ask these questions, and I discourage those who don't ask the questions. And it seems this box is broken. Give a reset. So far, not able to find anything. PHP install with the version by CSS. WP admin. For that, we already know CMS tag 4.9.4. Kismet. Outdated version. I don't know why, but there must be something that's out that is not seen here, and that's absurd. Because as far as I can see, there isn't any other endpoint that we can utilize. There's a hashtag, but we cannot do much. There is a reply that needs same stuff. So that's also not something we can use for the admin access. So we have to look for another way. It went to the WordPress, Gravatar. Machine has been reset and it seems to be up without any problem. And if I will do the scan now and clear this, do the scan for this too. Let's see if we'll get anything new this time. Else, by 12, I will be going to sleep eventually. Tomorrow I have to start with the Android penetration test, although I've already started it, so need to improve on that. And And you people, subscribe, like the stream. You don't like it for some reason. I don't know why. Give a like. That would be appreciated. And thank you. Ouch. 2 scans are simultaneously running. That's why it is. Okay. Response died. Past today, I was so tired that I sleep when phone on. Yeah, I face the same thing. But for now, I don't know why, but my body wants a good rest. Pretty good rest. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Your contribution. What the hell I am missing? And why did it skip the old plugin? I didn't see that coming, and I didn't even ask it to skip. It just decided no plugin. Bro, what else do you do? I just do job from Monday to Friday. Other than that, I try to learn. I solve the boxes I still wanna try on the Sherlock. I wanna start solving Sherlock again. But the problem is the time constraint. I can work for someone, those who are looking for a freelancer. The job can depend, like if they want someone to work on their securing their DNS or something relevant, I can give a hand, and some other stuff. I also like to do DFIR, if you know what I mean. Digital forensics and incident response. I have solved some Sherlocks. Here you can see in the playlist. There will be, oh, here I started with the LetsDefend, hack the box track, which I have added the video but I haven't made it public. And here you can see the Sherlock, Brutus. There are total 18 I have posted, I guess. Yeah. I'm in my final year CSC, Cybersecurity. Okay. Interesting. So which niche you wanna follow in the cybersecurity also? Cybersecurity itself is a pretty vast. I'll be back. Mom is coughing. I don't know what happened. I'll be back. Some scans are pretty wild. Okay, this time it has found something new. Not just something, but so much. Last time it didn't found any other theme or plugin, but this time it has identified themes. That's 2015, 2017, and 2016. VOCO, WOCO, and the scan is finished. Let's try the nuclei back. That's why I believe there is something that we are missing, and I still believe we are still missing something that's not in front of us. Okay. Machine has been taken by the nuclei. Totally captured. Oof. Will it let loose? Doesn't seem like it'll let it go. There is a JSON API, but most of the APIs are under post. There's a user, but that user don't have the okay. Let's wait for it to back to life. Okay, now it is. Wait, what the hell? What in the goods? Don't kill my machine back. The processes are dancing here. And finger cross. Okay, this time it didn't kill the system. Pretty good. And keep going. Guys, watching, drop a like. Although I don't know who's watching, but that's the only thing I can request. WordPress jQuery. Again, jQuery. Google APIs. Outdated version of Kismet. Theme 4.9.4 JavaScript version. Okay. System is dead. Dead again. Which I hate. Dang it. Machine is dead. What should I do? What should I do? Can you recommend me entry-level skill that can help me get a decent job? Now I have done Google Cyber Cert, Try Hack Me, Junior Penetration Test Path. Currently doing EJPT search, so on which thing is I think I should focus on more to improve skills. That's the only thing you should focus on improving. Just skills. Having a cert is a good for the HR tools. Those filter out the resumes. But for personal level skills, improve your skills. And the best way to improve your skill is if you have already done with the Try Hack Me, Hack the Box, or some other stuff. Try your skills on a real world application. Try to do the bug bounty. So you will know how you can work in some open environments. Yeah, I was thinking about the same question, Alex. Nice question. I don't know when this machine will come back to life. Or I may go dead. Uh, Ethical hacking is a part of cybersecurity, but hacking is a part of cybersecurity, not ethical hacking. It's just a way to say it to make oneself say that I work on a good side, which is actually good. But what we're trying to ask is, what's the difference when you're doing it in a college or in a university and by the cert or some other way that you're trying to do? So they just make you responsible that, yo, bro, whatever you do it ethically. That's it. Advertise, add event, listener, detect. Yeah, we got that point. But what are your subjects in this course? Digital forensics. Do they teach you the DFIR or how you can recover this stuff from the systems, hard drives, pen drives, or broken stuff? Doing good, Hussein. What's up? What about you? How are you doing? No one teach deeply anything. It's just you have to hone your skill by yourself. You are efficient in yourself that you can learn something. So why rely on someone else? Right? Now the problem is I don't even know if this information is right or wrong. The hell. Enter. What are those basics thing? Like that's what I was trying to think about. Bro, I'm doing login brute force. Can you help me? Where you're doing the brute force? On which part you're performing a login brute force? Let's see if it's worth. Okay, hack the box. Yeah, shoot. Which part? I got that, but where? Which part? I'm pretty sure you're talking about the this password attacks. Web services, web services, web services, web, web services. Wait a sec. Where the hell did that module go? Web services. It was here, I believe. Web service. I can only see one. Web service and API attacks. Yo. Near FOF. Near FOF. Near FOF. Near FOF. Using web proxy? Okay, login brute force. Let's see. I have this module. Is this a free module? No, it's a tier 2 module, which I cannot stream until I am having a members only stuff. Okay, shoot your question. What's the problem here? And I would recommend try to use a word list that are given here in the modules itself. Which service you are trying to brute force? Which service is it? Is scan finish? No, it's running. Vulnerable plugin. Copy this. Paste this. Readme.txt. What does it say is with Medusa? Medusa. Which service you're trying to brute force using Medusa? Most probably the HTTP. So if you're using the Medusa, let's see if I have the Medusa. Medusa, Medusa, where are you, my love? Medusa, there we go. Okay, which one is it? AD Apache, there is the FTP. Apache Recon directory attack. You're talking about this one? Yeah, I know that it's something like Hydra. It's a brute force tool. Brute forcing tool. I've used it. You need this command to brute force it. Here you'll define the directory and the endpoint or the path. Here you will give the URI of the path. Sorry, here you give the URI. Here you give the password list. Here you give the username list or username. If it's a list, then it will be a capital U. If it's a single variable, then it's small u. Same for the password, for single small p. For the list, capital P. Over here the password, over here the threads. You can go for 50 threads, 1000 threads, and as many threads you want. No one gonna stop you. -m for the method or module. This is defined if it's HTTP, FTP, or whatever. You are getting my point, baby. $. What the hell we are missing here? Maven Pro, fonts awesome, modernizer, normalizer, bootstrap, WordPress. Ouch, my feet. Ouch. Reply, version, attachment, term. Version history. Anything here? Which I hardly believe. Cannot read. I knew it. Post does not gonna give anything. User is the same user without a password, so it's not worth it. But can we brute force it? WP admin, paste it here. Password admin. You bought HTB Academy for $8 to $18. No. You shall not pass. Okay. That means we might be able to brute force this. No. I didn't bought it. I was a lousy little boy who used to report spoilers in a bulk. So they gifted me 2 or 3 times the cubes. Other than that, I was buying the cubes by myself in the purchase cube. I found that if I'll go for the monthly part, the $18 one is pretty good because it's give you the 200 cubes. Instead, if you go for the $20 one, that's a $2 up. So monthly getting the 200 cubes wasn't bad. For $18 over here, it's $20. Small glitches, but yes. Here you can get a 500 cubes in $38. Here 500 cubes in a $50. But this one means that you need it urgently. So you have to spend the cubes here. I bought for $8. It opened tier 2. Yeah, but that'll be monthly or something like that. I don't remember much. No ad. They have less practical sessions, but you will get knowledge about various cybersecurity topics like how to secure web system or databases. Alex, for practical, you can start TryHackMe. TryHackMe is a good platform, but it's for the beginner. If you want challenging stuff, either come to the Hack the Box, or there is another one that I'm forgetting about. It's not a PentesterLabs. It's at least to get better, do self-study. OffSec? No, not OffSec. It's a different one. They have something similar to the Pro Labs. Pentester Playground, I believe. Pentester Playground. No. Not this, but whoa, this has pretty good links. Down vulnerable app, GraphQL, RESTflow, Logic, CipherHeart, Garden Leaks. This is a pretty good. Okay. Whoever this person is pretty generous for hosting this. I love it. Whoever you are, I actually love you, bro. You did a pretty damn good service here. Open Swagger. Yep. This guy is lovely. It's also for beginners. This guy is lovely, whoever he is. Okay, powered by pentesttools.com. This is good. You don't have to host it on your side. You can just go here and start testing. It is just another degree, bro. Whatever you do, it's just gonna be another part of your course or a life which is required for industry. That's it. I wish I was here since day one. Your channel and content seem really interesting. Oh, well, there is nothing interesting. I'm just breaking my head towards the wall. It's just, if you find interesting, then it's interesting. If you don't, it's not. Well, that's good. You find it interesting. And that's why I say people to keep the notification on. So whenever I'm live, you guys can join. And I do lives daily. Yeah, I do daily. There might be some 1 or 2 days that I might be around somewhere. So that's the day I skip. And now I am hating this box for some reason because I'm not getting what I should be getting. I can try to brute force this login session, but I don't know how much time that's gonna take. But whatever. We're going in. Close this. Copy this. And we're gonna go for try the array Hydra. It's not an SSH. Start joining. Dang it. What I was looking for. Yeah, Hydra. Over here, Medusa. Sorry, my love. I won't be coming back anytime soon. So this is gonna be post request, which I believe. Okay, let's clean this up. Small diversions, which I don't like. Okay, this one, I guess. Let's go here. SH paste. Copy the link. Over here, it's gonna be the URL. And after that, it's gonna take everything from here till here. Yes. Yep. And the username and the password is gonna get in there. I'll press login, it'll give an error. I was just asking. That means not worth going formal course on ethical hacking. The password you enter for username is incorrect. Let's just keep this as an error. $64. Copy this. Go here. Remove everything and delete unwanted stuff. Go all the way here. It's WP admin, I guess. Yeah, it's a WP admin, and if I'll press enter, it start brute forcing and it say the syntax error. Why the syntax error? Either you use this model option, you use model parameter syntax. That means I need to remove this. Do I? Enter. Now it says the slash. Where's the slash problem? Over here. Enter. Yep, that was a problem, and it started attempting, cannot connect. It died. Pretty sad. One at a time. This is gonna take forever. Cannot continue. Okay. Only way left is using the burp suite. Do you guys know any good Discord server where I can meet people, eventually group with them for CTF? I'm beginner right now. By the way, doing THM. Yep. Join their own server. That's also a good one. Join the THM server itself. I've seen people sitting there. I assume it's probably good because I'm banned from that server. I don't like it much, but if it works for you, it works for you. You can join their server. Yeah, they have a Discord. Flow. Capture something. There we go. TCM Security Discord. I didn't like that much. I would say go for either like the best Discord server in my eyes are where you can continuously participate on something rather just only learning stuff. So I would say either the Hack the Box or the Try Hack Me. Those two Discord server are the best if you want to learn something, because you can ask question there that should be relevant. Asking the question in other servers, it's more of a theoretical point of view which I have seen so far, not a practical stuff. So even I didn't like that. That's why I dropped quite many servers. Let me show you the servers that I have. Journal. Okay, here. So these are the servers that I have joined, but I only go to the hack the box only. This is the only server you'll see my activities are. As for this one, I am leaving it right away. Leave the server. OffSec prep. This is something that is also like admin by hack the box. If you will see here, there's a Falcon spy who is also an admin here over the hack the box. Falcon spy, Nightwolf, Chaotic, both are part of this server too. If I can find them here, you can see Chaotic. There's a Ryan, hack the box staff. There is a IPSec too. There's a Mikhat, and Namsec is also part of this server. TJ Null, one of pretty reputed in a security field. Deku, I don't know who is he, but it says the mentor, so he might be good one. Then any other that I can think of. Sniper, I don't know. Jin, Cyber. I don't know any other names though. So these are good influencers here. That the mentors or some other. They're pretty good. There's a Try Hack Me stuff. CMnetic, which I don't know who is he, because I am banned from that damn server and I cannot say much. And there is OffSec security staff also, so maybe any word, I don't know. Yep, that's all, and you can find them here too. Here you can chat with Golem. Here you can I don't know who is he, but there's a goblin, there is a multiple people those you can connect with, but things take time to get reward. So yeah, these are the server worth joining. Why did you get banned, lol? I got banned because of a kids chat. They were trolling, but when I started trolling them, they went to the mod, and I don't like talking to the unknown people, so I told the mod that I don't want to talk to you, just ban me if you want to ban, and I am banned, and here I am, isn't it? So it wasn't even a like more than 5 seconds of chat with the mod. I just told him, ban me if you wanna. I got banned, and I'm still banned. If I'll try to join, I won't be able to join. Let's see. Discover. Try hack me. Here's the server. See, the user is banned from this guild. Hehe. Why I don't like few servers. All the platform is good. I don't. say anything bad about the platform because that's from where I also started grasping some other stuff. Help me reach the milestone of YouTube. I will start streaming the Try Hack Me stuff too. What do you say? Well, I will be streaming more than Try Hack Me stuff, but there will be so much I will be streaming. ID, brute force, author pattern, and stuff. Nah, I found that community bit of a brain rot. But whatever. All the communities are brain rot nowadays. Small adrenaline rush, and you're done for. Ouch. Where the hell I am wrong that I'm not able to find anything here. I'm getting angry. You won't see on a face, but inside I'm getting angry pretty bad. I just wanna punch on the monitor, but I don't want because that damn thing is expensive. From what I heard, Hack the Box is harder than THMe, so I guess people will be more inclined to look at Hack the Box stuff. It's not what you have heard. That's how it is. Now they have started giving the damn it, guided mode, but the guided mode is only available for the retired box. For that you need to pay, which is good. But on the other hand, when you talk about the Try Hack Me, that itself is a guided mode. So if someone want to learn from the scratch, you can go there, start, give your luck, give your best. You will be able to grasp pretty good amount of information or knowledge within 1 year without rushing, without going like, I want to solve 10, 20, 30 box in a week or something. Just give a time, soak it in. You're good to be in a cyber field. But then again, it depends on which field you want to pursue, because cybersec has itself is a pretty vast field where you have the GRC roles, where you have the compliances role, where you have the security engineering role, where you have red team role, where you do physical, online, all kind of stuff. There you have a web penetration tester. There you have a, yeah, that's what confused everyone. Just that you need to find which niche you wanna follow in the cybersec itself. If you will check the roadmap for that, you will see there are multiple branches of cybersec itself. It's not always about how you are sitting in front of computer and try to exploit someone's web application or any sort of application. Sometimes it's all more of about if you're compliant with certain standards. So if you're working for a certain business and they have pretty damn good business all over the world, you would like to say that if I am trying to approach you for a certain business, I would like to see what sort of standards you're compliant with, global standards, which can be GDPR, which can be ISO 27001, 27002. There is a PCI DSS if you're using some sort of payment gateway, or if you are providing some sort of payment gateway. There are HIPAA if you are in some sort of health organization. There are multiple stuff in the GRC itself. And if you are into the SOC, You should know how to work around with the anomalies. You should know how to work around with the forensics, digital forensics. You should know how the incident response work. You should be known how to work around with the alerts, what sort of alerts you're getting, what sort of anomaly you're getting. You should be known about quite many things. I like programming and know C++ and Python to a good degree. So I like to choose programming heavy role. Then go for the DevSecOps. There you will get to work around with the tools. There you will get to work around with the integration. There you will get to work around with the automations. You will know how to pull data, how to secure data, and much more stuff. But in that field, you need to be creative all the time. You cannot stay non-creative for a small period. If you ever feel that I'm not able to think of a solution, I'm not enough creative that I can build something, that I can work around a problem that is there or could be there, I can create a solution for that, and it's gonna be a pretty heavy job, even the DevSecOps, right? Because company don't give person a salary, those who just solve their one or two problem and just chill around. So DevSecOps itself is a pretty damn big industry nowadays because of the cloud services that people utilize, how the Docker, how container, how AWS, GCP, or any other cloud service works. So you should be known how the integrations work, how the data pulling, data putting, whatever, all sort of things are working. You should be known how you can use the APIs to its best to make more of your skill go zoop. If someone is calling you for some data, you should be efficient enough to create a small program or some sort of automation that can give a solid information, the filter information that they're looking for. Whoa. So that's how the DevSecOps field works. Though there is more in that, but there is always more in any field you will look. There is never less. And I'm feeling that I'm missing way too much information here. Ghost scanner. Let's see. I have enough of this, so enough of that. Let's see what this has to say. WordPress Ghost scanner. It has to be MSF console. Enter. What do you say? I will also follow the OSCP box from XDF. Yeah, sure. Go for it. That dude make pretty good write-ups. The good explanation and stuff. No problem. That's why I say it's not only for the security purpose, it's more of you share what you are looking for. If there is something in my bag, I'll try to put in your plate. If there is something that I'm stuck with, you share that, I'll try to eat that if you're trying to put in my plate. So that's why I say don't be scared when you're asking a question. Doesn't matter if it's a silly one, if it's a good one. Just ask the question. And the silly questions are a question. Those need to be answered. Now I have got fair amount of knowledge that I think of following this path and attempt for OSCP, at least for this year bit. Well, kindness has a cost. Subscribe, like, share. No problem, man. Cost scan, okay. Use the auxiliary scan. Show. Machine is dying. Machine is slowly dying. Damn it. Don't die on me, please. I guess I have to close this and stop the proxy. Show options. Enter. Set our hosts. Which is going to be this. Enter. Set our port, it's gonna be same. Set target URI, which is going to be this. Copy, paste, enter, and run. Let's see what we can get from here. We didn't got anything with the WP scan, and it says target not vulnerable to ghost. And the target self ghosted me. Damn it. And another idiotic thing I have just done, that I remove all the stuff. Okay, there it is. Rapid auxiliary doc WordPress, this one. If I will go back, use this, enter. Oh, nice. Show options, enter. That. Oh, I can use the same option back. Set target URI, set our host, and yeah, that's it. And run, press enter. Trying to fingerprint the maximum memory we could use. Go for it. WordPress XML RPC though. And it seems we are way up on our time. So in next 2 minutes we will see if we'll get anything. Then I'll be playing one short game of Noita and we will say bye after that. So let's see if we'll get anything. And give a like. Drop a like, people. You don't drop likes. I hate it. Hate it so much. Is my machine still alive? Yeah, it seems it's live. Ouch. there is a machine called Rebound, which got released in 23. First one to pawn took 23 hours. Yep. There's always something interesting going on in the community. I'll think about creating my own team if I ever feel like. So let's see. I guess I already have a team. Are you in a part of Team Alex? Any sort of team over the Hack the Box? I'm a part of Root Force, which my friend created. Okay, understood. I thought I should call you in my team, but yeah, no problem. Enjoy there. There aren't many active player I have 3. Those are my colleagues, but they even they don't play or participate. Let's play Noita. 1 game and we will sleep. It seems it's a broken box and I'm hating it so much. And in the audio, let's this. Where the tough, and I'm getting the okay, it's now. Let's go. Trying to fingerprint the maximum memory we could use. Okay. Okay, we have pretty random seed here and this random. Okay, this is pretty wild. Okay, bro, you're good as good as dead. No. Oh shit. There are 3-4 potions combined together. Damn. Whoa, what the hell? I went into the lava. This one was a pretty wild seed. Worth saving this clip. Save as Jeff. Will you try for CPRS? What's the CPRS? CPTS? I think you're talking about CPTS. Yep, I will try before giving the exam of OSCP. I'll give it walk in CPTS. Yes, definitely. That's why I'm telling you guys. Help me reach somewhere on the YouTube so I can give you good stuff. But you guys just don't support me. That's what I don't like. Oh. Gold. They have... Okay. Pretty weird. Tough. Ouch, 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 ouch. Again, ouch. It's just doing something. I don't know what it's doing. Okay, it worked. It worked. Cannot determine limit. Will use default of 8. Yeah, sure. I wasn't expecting the moment I'll show you this gonna start working. I should have done it before. And now it is brute forcing crazy amount of requests. Oh. Magic. Ouch. Yeah, go down. This is going crazy. Oh, nice. We got a wand. Get down. Lovely. Two wands. Pretty nice. Damn torch. This one. I guess so. Okay. Oh, no, 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 no. Ouch. From here. Yeah, pretty good. Okay. This one is nice one. Clear the path all the way down. It's just going crazy. I don't know why, but it's just throwing the request here and there. No. This is a better wand than this one, but this has a pretty damn good spell. Okay, sometimes sacrifice are needed. Do, 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 do. Okay, we got something good. Hold on. Get off. This one is a good spell, and this one too. We need a few more kills and we are good. No, no, no. Okay, there is something. YouTube is not responding. There is an error. There's something messed up here. It's back, I believe. I need one more spell. And with that, we are good to go. Should I get this? Which is not worth it. Okay, it's time to collect some gold. Oh. Acid. Oh no. Yeesh. Did so much for nothing. Quit. The unwanted death. Whatever. Oh, what do we have here? It's just spamming without thinking. Go back. What else we can use from here? We have... Yeah, we can try this. Use paste enter. Show options. Oh, there are many options. We don't have a single damn thing. Set host. Yep. Set URI. This. I don't think this is going to be any help because this is a way too big of a stuff. WordPress pingback access. Use paste enter. Show options. Set or host. Set target and exploit -j enter. There's no job. Enter. It doesn't appear to be vulnerable. Okay. Oh, I think we are good for today. Nothing is working here, so with that I will take my leave and I will see you guys tomorrow, and I hope you guys will have a great rest of your time. So let's take an exit. If you're new here, consider subscribing, like the stream, and if you're an old one, give a like, and don't forget to turn on the notification. People say I want to be here bitterly, but they're not. So turn on the notifications so whenever I'm live, you guys will see me. And if you're in the same time zone as me, have a great rest of your day. Have a sweet dreams. If in another time zone, have a great rest of your day. I forgot. If in my zone, have a great rest of your night. Have a sweet dreams. And another zone, have a great rest of your day. Enjoy it your fullest. It's a weekend. It's still a weekend for you, I believe. It's a Sunday there. So, with that said, have a great time. I will see you guys tomorrow, maybe around same time. And that's it. Bye bye.